Let's see how long actually the new dual band GPS on the Galaxy Watch 7 actually takes to lock on from totally cold start. I haven't used this watch for hour, and yeah, so it's from totally cold start, and I'm in a kind of urban area. There are houses around, yeah, and it's not totally clear. Okay, so 40 seconds around that. Okay, let's do another test. It has been a few minutes since I ended that, and let's see how long it takes to lock on the second time after it has already been locked on a few minutes ago. So, but it should establish a new connection now. So let's click and see how long it takes. Okay, so as you saw, actually the location is detected instantly. So compared to the previous Galaxy Watch, I do think this watch actually locks onto GPS actually a bit faster. However, again, I didn't really complain about the GPS on the previous versions. Then yesterday I also did a battery consumption test while the GPS is running basically. So when you actually don't use the watch at all, just start the GPS and go for a walk, it consumed around 7% in 1 hour of using, and that I think is absolutely great. While actually I was playing around with this watch, maybe I got like 10 minutes of total screen time, so I was basically walking around and simply playing around with this watch as well. As I was checking out the new features, it consumed around 13% in that 1 hour, while actually maybe like fiddling around with it. So I think that might be like good representation how much it would consume if you actually use the GPS and maybe like check your stats from time to time and see and do something else on the watch. So yeah, but 7% if you actually don't really touch your watch, just let it track. Also, that was without the always on display, so the screen was blank, just GPS tracking. Also, I briefly tested the accuracy of the GPS by taking it for a walk and seeing what it actually recorded on the map compared to the previous Galaxy Watches. For example, if you just walk it on a sidewalk near a street, like a highway, super highway basically, it often said that you might actually be walking on that highway. So there was some inaccuracy actually. However, from this I can see this is actually kind of improved in that, and it kind of actually showed for me that I was walking on that sidewalk and not in the middle of road where all the cars are. So overall I think the accuracy is indeed improved with this watch. However, again, I didn't really had that many complaints about the GPS on the Galaxy Watches as the past ones basically. So maybe some had more problems, I don't know really. I didn't really had much problems with them anyway, and for most part they were actually fairly accurate. On this one, yeah, I don't really have any complaints at all about the GPS. Again, I think it's more accurate, it takes a bit faster to like lock on as well, and as you saw from the like soft start where it has already locked on previously a few minutes ago, it was pretty much instant to lock on, so very good system actually. Also, I was testing this watch in totally urban area, basically where there are houses around, so maybe that first cold start test wasn't the best, obviously, since there were houses around. But still, I think that test gave a good representation of how long it actually takes to lock on in real life, basically. So overall, pretty good. See you!